Now that we know what the identity matrix is, actually prove that whenever you multiply by the identity matrix, you get the exact same matrix that you started with. And we're going to prove that by multiplying by hand. So let's get started. First, I'm going to go through and draw my brackets. We're going to take the very first row in this first matrix and multiply it by the first column in the second matrix. So starting with A, you're going to say A times the very first number in that column, which is 1, plus B times the second number in the column, which is 0. And then we need to repeat the process again because we have a second column. So let me highlight this row in green and then this column here in green. So starting with A again, you're going to say A times the very first number in that column, which is 0, plus B times the second number in that second column, which is 1. Now, we do have another row with C and D, so let's repeat this process. I'm going to highlight C and D, and then I'm also going to highlight the very first column. So then starting with C, you're going to say C times 1 plus D times the second number in that first column, which is 0. Now I'm going to highlight C and D one more time, and then we're going to go for that second column, and then we are basically finished besides simplifying. So starting with C, I'm going to say C times 0 plus I have D times 1. And then let's clean this up, and then we're done. Everything that you see where it says times 0, we know we're going to get 0. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel those out. And then you are left with, we know that A times 1 is just A. B times 1 is just B. C times 1 is just C. And then also you have D times 1, which would be just D. So we have A, B, C, D, which is what we started out with at the very beginning. That's it. We just proved that multiplying by the identity matrix is going to give you that exact same matrix. If you haven't followed us already, make sure you follow us for more. We will see you next time.